If you're experiencing connection errors in Rocket League, particularly Error 2025, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block Rocket League from connecting to the servers. Make sure that Rocket League is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus isn't interfering with the game. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to enjoying Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.